in Liberty Village today. We are going through a one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo. It's in 51 East Liberty. Great building. Lots of stuff right in the area. You're close to basically everything. Restaurants, coffee shops. You can walk everywhere. The lake, not too far away. Same with Trinity Bellwood, Stanley Park. So really in a great location, especially if you want to just step out, walk around, and not have to drive in this area. So really makes it nice and convenient to get around. So riding up the elevator, this is what's going on in the market right now. So we are seeing a decent amount of condos on the market at the moment. However, there are some units that are still moving. So even though it's more of a buyer's market for condos at the moment, some of the really nice stuff that's really well laid out, really well decorated is still getting pretty good attention right now. Even we're in July as well and heading into August, which is generally pretty slow in Toronto real estate as it is, especially with the long weekend coming. Just jumped in the unit. It's a one bedroom, one bathroom with parking, and wait till you see those views. Also has a locker included. Let's flip around and go take a look. Jump in the unit, nice walkway entrance, the double closet here at the front, which is always great, and then washer dryer here at the front as well. So everything is kind of tucked into the entranceway here. As you come through, you have bathroom over here. Nice stand-up shower, walk-in shower, good sized vanity, and then check out this light as you walk into the unit. Wow, tons of natural light. Love these windows. Taking a look at the kitchen, and the kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, also have nice hood fan here with an updated backsplash. Plenty of space to dine for two here on a nice table, and then we also added an island from a staging perspective because it does fit the space really well. Looks really great here. So if you do want a high top island, good place to prep food or even just sit down and eat, then you also have more of a little dining table here. And taking a look at the living area, love this with the couch. You see so much light. We don't even have a light on here, just that little lamp, but tons of light coming into this unit, which is amazing. And then as we take a look over at the bedroom, you can easily fit a king bed in this bedroom. There's plenty of space. This is more of a queen bed, and then still lots of space on the side. Double closet there, and this unit does come with a locker. So that's definitely another added storage. As we take a look outside, we do have the Honda Indy going on this weekend, so they're practicing right now. Love this terrace, beautiful spot, but that water view, definitely an awesome view. And then looking over to the other side, you also have full city view to the north as well, which is really awesome. And then in the background there, that's where they're going to be hosting the World Cup in 2 years. And you can also see the Budweiser stage for all the concerts in the summer. And then Ontario Place, there's been a lot of discussion about possibly doing a spa there, which would be super local, and Hotel X also right there as well. So really a great spot. GO train access, super easy onto the highway. And then there's also Ricoh Coliseum where the Toronto Marlies play and the PWHL Toronto team plays as well. Super great location, everything nearby. And that light, so if you are sitting down, you can even see from sitting here in the living room, still have an awesome view. We weren't able to go down to the amenities today. They are getting cleaned at the moment, but they have a great gym, tons of equipment, a beautiful pool. So there's a little deck pool, kind of like a lap pool, which is awesome. Sunny days, you can go out there, chill out. And then yoga studio, party room, even a billiards room and ping pong table in the building. So if you wanted to jump down, play some ping pong, play some billiards or whatever, it's all right here in the building, which makes it a really great building amenities wise and location wise, close to everything, every amenity from a standpoint of restaurants, cafes, close to transit. There's also Trinity Bellwoods Park, which is a major park in the city of Toronto, Stanley Park, which is a great spot to chill out, baseball diamonds there, dog park. Close in the area, there's also a off-leash dog park as well. And then going to the other side of Liberty Village, you have the Exhibition GO train and the future Ontario line, which will be coming, which actually gets you east-west in the city faster than the current setup. So it'll be really interesting to see when that's done. Might take some time for that to be done. They just started working on it, and hopefully they've learned their lessons from the Eglinton LRT, so that'll remain to be seen. But overall, location-wise, this can't be beat. So if you are looking for something where you can just jump out and have everything ready at your doorstep, this unit is perfect for that, and a great space. I mean, look at this light coming in, pretty awesome. Should do more filming here, actually. Yeah, pretty awesome. So love to hear your comments down below, what you think of the unit, what you think of the space. And if you did want to book a tour, you can definitely click the first link in the description, and you can book a call with me and we can set up a tour for you anytime as well.